Hello everyone. In today's video I will show you how you can convert text to speech in CapCut video editing application. First you need to open CapCut. Open a new project. After that, select the video or image you want to edit. In this case we will use a picture. In the menu, select the image section. We select the image and go to the Add button. After that, select the text option from the bottom menu. After that, select Add Text in the new menu. Enter the text you want. After that, in the options at the bottom of the screen, select the text-to-speech option. There we choose the voice we want. After that, everything we wrote will be spoken in our video. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.